Hello, welcome to 50 Crestline. This is unit number 1, a beautiful one-bedroom apartment that's been recently renovated. You walk into this very spacious living room with sliding doors leading to your private patio. Beautiful wood floors throughout, lots of natural light. This has a nice open and flexible floor plan. This is the view from the patio. It is located on a very quiet street and you have partial views of the city. Just a fantastic and very quiet unit and building. Okay, walking in towards the dining room. It is open to the kitchen. The kitchen has a nice big stainless refrigerator, microwave. There is a range. Nice granite counters. Tons of cabinet space. And a stainless dishwasher. There is a nice coat closet in here with shelving. Walking down here is the bedroom. It fits a king-size bed and so much more. Here's the view from the bedroom. Just a lovely spot. This bedroom has a large closet with sliding mirrored doors, and it goes all the way back. Okay, there's the bedroom. Now let's take a peek at the bathroom. But first you have a linen closet just outside the bathroom and a second one right here. Nice deep closet. And here is the bathroom. You have a tub and shower combined, nice glass enclosure, medicine cabinet, tons of storage space in here. Nice big shower head. Okay, and there you go. If you are interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com and take a look. We list out all the amenities of this building, and we'd love to show you this apartment. rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for looking.